Would like to call upon Captain Amit Garde from Apex Chemicals on stage with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's put your hands together. Captain Amit Garde. Also, I'd like to call upon Captain Shaukat Mukherjee, who will now go ahead and have a session. Welcome.
Okay, so this is to introduce Amit, a very close friend. Some of you may have seen their logo, Amit Garde. And I must admit, when I first met him, I mispronounced his surname. And I thought he was work from home, so I was calling him Amit Gharse. But I apologized and I said, this is Amit Garde. Amit, you are doing great work, but I know what you're doing, but I want you to just, in very few words, explain to the audience. Can I have one more microphone, please? Yeah, so to the audience, what is the service portfolio of Apex Chemical? What do you do? I think you've done something amazing last few months. So just to the audience, just to introduce your service portfolio, please.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank Captain Shaukat. He has been really a close friend and office colleague as well. We shared office for last 2 years into the same complex. And thank you for this opportunity on this wonderful stage of FSM. I would not say it is an India-based conference, but it's an international conference. I met few friends from Singapore also here. There are delegates from Russia, Hong Kong as well. Apologies if I missed taking names of a few other countries. So just to introduce myself, I'm Captain Amit Garde. I am working as a country manager for Apex Chemicals, which is a Singapore-based marine chemicals manufacturing and a global player in the marine chemicals sector. I don't want to make it a sales pitch, but I want to address on basically what do we do in marine and who we are. So Apex Chemicals has conventionally been a business for last 33 years. We only came in marketing for last 8 years, and then thereon we started. The competitors probably, I would say, not sitting in this hall, but they are WSS and Drew. We have almost similar products with them, and we deal into various marine chemicals for tank cleaning, hold cleaning. We do a lot of ballast water treatment chemicals. We do fuel additives. But that's not up to the product portfolio that I'm going to talk. With increasing global regulatory environment and also with a lot of efficiency and focus based for maritime ship owners, managers. So this is an era of collaborations, I believe, and we have had a lot of them. I was working in the commercial operations earlier with Navigate and Maersk on oil, chemical and gas. So I understand the regulatory pressure that ship owners, managers, and the crewing as well, everybody, the kind of pressure that they experience and the regulatory environment currently it is. So our aim here is to support, is to collaborate with them, is to support them. We have been not only a provider of chemicals or equipments, but we have also saved time and money onto the commercial operations of various vessels by providing effective solutions. We have in-house supercargos. We have a team of technical expertise. Darren is here, who was ex-Williamson for last 20 years before he joined this organization. And he knows...
Darren is here for different reasons.
I am sure he's for different reason. But then he would concur to agree with me what Apex team stands today is a very strong
So Amit,
team.
I just want to, apologies for cutting you short, in the sense that what is your hard selling, what is your best product?
Yes. So coming on to that, I would not talk on the regular products, but I would talk on to a product which we are also into digitalization and keeping in line with the industry digitalization and maritime innovation. We have research lab at Singapore as well and in China. So what we came out recently with is a plasma cutter, which is a new gen plasma cutter, which is a hot seller product. I have a wait list of around 15 to 30 days for the same. And our aim is to replace the oxyacetylene, the conventional way of handling gas cutting on board. And I'm very sure within next 10 years, the industry is going to see sea change of atmosphere wherein you have change in gas cutting and welding in this particular segment, because we are talking about CII, we are talking about emission reduction, and our gas cutter does that 10 times effectively than the conventional oxyacetylene gases.
Right, so we'll keep it here, Amit.
Yeah,
Very short, because we've got a lot of, it's a hard
Sure,
day today
sure,
with the
sure.
panel. But gentlemen and ladies, please a round of applause for Amit. And I'm sure most of you will engage with him over the next 2 days. There's a brochure which we have kept on all your tables for his product portfolio, and he will be available for the next 24 hours and to engage with you. So, Amit, thank you. I have a small piece of memento to just honor you and Apex Chemical for your support.
Sir, I would really thank you for giving this opportunity, and thank you, the audience also, for listening me patiently. Thank you so much once and for all.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause.